Hello YouTube channel Annabella, and today I am at the Rothley and Mountsorrel Heritage Centre, and we're going to go on the spooky ghost train again with Augustus. He's just here, he's just lying down, he's a bit fatigued after walking up the hill. I'm going to show you the views from up here because they're stunning from the spinney. So we are at the top of the spinney, nice oak tree just in front of us here, rock there. As you can see, they've got steam trains going. We're going to go and have a look, but I thought you'd like to see. Augustus is just chilling. He's a bit tired from walking up. You can hear the trains. So let's go and check them out. So like, as Augustus can see, there is a steam engine down there. There is the ghost train, because we're at the top. But this is the view. Thought you'd like to see. And down there, where little Augustus is pointing his little wild boar trotter, is where we're going to go, and we're going to go on a train ride. Yay! For Halloween. So, woo! Okay, so here we are. We're near the Story Dome, just here, a meadow, and we're going to go down the Willow Tunnel. Augustus is bravely going first. Look at him. You brave? He feels brave, because that's cool. Yeah, so we're in like the nature reserve part of the Rothley Mountsorrel Heritage Centre. It's got links to Dob Hall and trains and quarries and labour work, and also nature, because it's been returned to nature in some areas. So they've got herb gardens, they've got a nursery, they've got loads of stuff. This is Snowdrop Corner. They've got these cute little nature sayings: where flowers bloom, so does hope, and associated stuff. And then if we just follow Augustus down here, we should get to the train area, or just a really, really long walk that takes you. So we're just going to nip down here and get to the train line. See you in a bit. So here me and Augustus are. That is the train. That's not the ghost train, but that's the old train. And then we've got excellent views just there. So we've walked all the way down the path. This is the picnic area to see these wonderful views. So we're going to go all the way back up there now and get on the ghost train. Are you scared, Augustus? No, Augustus isn't scared. He'll be fine. He did last year. So it's very autumnal, as we are in autumn. Let's rock this October half term. My silent partner. Augustus is not concerned. Little pumpkin lady. The other did. W. I hope you enjoyed my spooky train ride visit at the Mountsorrel and Rothley Heritage Centre for 2025. Bye!